Today we start chemical kinetics, the branch of chemistry in which we study about rate of reaction, factors affecting rate of reaction like temperature, pressure, concentration, radiations, catalyst, and its mechanism known as chemical kinetics. Now next topic is classify the reaction on the basis of reaction rate. On the basis of reaction rate, chemical reactions are classified into three categories. First, very fast reaction. Those chemical reactions which are completed within 10 to the power minus 12 seconds called fast reactions. All the ionic reactions are very fast reactions. Number two, slow reactions. Those reactions which requires month, sometimes years for their completion, known as slow reaction. Example, rusting of iron. Third, moderate reactions. Those reactions which neither very fast nor very slow, called moderate reactions. Example, hydrolysis of ester. Maximum reactions of chemistry are categorized in this moderate reaction. Now third is differentiate molecularity and order of reaction. At first we write molecularity and then order of reaction. It is total number of molecules which participate in the reaction. It is total number of molecules which participate in chemical reaction is called molecularity of reaction. Example, PCl5 on dissociation gives PCl3 and Cl2. It is example of unimolecular reaction. Hydrogen and iodine combines and forms 2HI. It is bimolecular reaction. 2SO2 plus O2 combines and forms two molecules of sulfur trioxide 2SO3. It is trimolecular reactions. Order of reaction. It is the number of molecules which participate in the reaction and whose concentration is changed. It is the number of molecules which participate in the reaction and whose concentration is changed and may change the rate of reaction is called order of reaction. Example, CH3CHO gives rise CH4 plus CO. Here order of reaction is equal to 3 by 2 or 1.5. Third, second point. It is theoretical concept. There is no need to perform experiment. Order of reaction determined experimentally. Here we have to perform experiment. Order of reaction determined experimentally. It is always a whole number. The value of molecularity is always in whole number like 1, 2, 3, 4. Fractional values are also possible. In order of reaction, fractional value is also possible, as we saw in example that the order of reaction is 1.5. Next, its value is never zero. The value of molecularity is never zero. At least unimolecular reaction is there. But in case of order of reaction, zero order of reaction is possible. Example, photochemical combination of hydrogen and chlorine is example of zero order reaction. It is independent of temperature and pressure. There is no effect of temperature and pressure on molecule of reaction. While order of reaction, it depends upon temperature and pressure. Temperature and pressure plays an important role to calculate the order of reaction. Next, it does not provide any information about mechanism of reaction. Reaction is unimolecular, bimolecular, slow, fast, SN1, SN2. There is no such information we obtain from molecule. It provides information about mechanism of reaction. With the help of order reaction, we we can determine mechanism of reaction. Next question, differentiate rate of reaction and rate constant. At first, it is expressed in terms of consumption of reactants or formation of product per unit time. In unit time, how many reactants are consumed and how many amount of product is formed. It is called rate of reaction. It is proportionally constant in differential form in rate law or rate constant. It is proportionally constant in rate law equation. K is equal to rate. Number 2. It depends on concentration of reactant at a particular moment. The rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of reactant. Higher the concentration, higher will the rate of reaction. It is independent of concentration of reactant. The rate constant does not depend upon the concentration of reactant. Third point, it is gradually decreases with the progress of reaction. It decreases with the progress of reaction, while it does not depend on the progress of reaction. Rate constant does not depend upon the progress of reaction. Fourth one, the rate of reaction varies with temperature, while rate constant is invariably increases with increase in temperature. Its unit is mole, liter inverse, second inverse. It changed according to order of reaction. For first order reaction, it is different. For second, third, and zero order reactions, its units is changed.